Babe, I was just trying to talk to you about earlier.
Oh, great. Love a recap.
Okay, I just feel like I was trying to tell you something really important to me, and then you completely...
Okay, but is this today earlier or relationship earlier?
Today earlier.
Whew. Okay, good. I can handle that, yeah.
Okay, I feel like I was telling you something really important to me, and then you interrupted.
Wait, what if I was just finishing your sentence?
You weren't.
How do you know?
Because I wasn't even finished thinking yet.
This feels like a trap.
Okay, no, it's just a conversation.
That's what traps say. No, I don't know about this.
Why are you stretching?
I don't know how long this is gonna be,
It doesn't have to be that long. Wait, why are you walking away from me now?
Because I'm just getting my steps in and I think better upright, okay?
Okay, wait, you're moonwalking away from me.
Ow! See, this is why we shouldn't have the talks.
Why are you horizontal?
If I lay down, it feels less like a fight.
Okay, well, you're facing the wrong way.
I can hear you.
Okay, I just felt like...
Okay, pause. If you say I just felt, I'm gonna need to stand up again.
Fine, I noticed something.
Okay, better.
I noticed that when I was talking, you checked your phone.
It was unconscious.
You unlocked it.
Muscle memory, babe.
Okay, but then you replied and laughed out loud.
Okay, that one feels targeted.
What?
Yeah. Who are you looking at? Okay, I don't know. You know what? I just don't like doing this.
Doing what?
Where I'm suddenly the bad guy and you're the calm one.
Well, I'm just trying to be calm.
That's not helping, okay?
Well, what would help? Wait, why are you gripping the pillow?
Emotional armor.
Okay, that's a choice. That is a choice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, where are you going?
I'm just gonna check to see if the outside still exists.
What?
Okay, it does.
Wow.
Okay, we can do this. I can do this, babe. I can do this.
Can you?
Yes, let's sit down.
Okay.
Let's sit down. Here. Okay.
Wow.
I can do this.
This is big. This is big for you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, go.
Okay. Look, I just really wanted you to hear me.
Okay, I get that. You felt ignored.
Yes.
When I had my phone on.
I really did.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Whew.
See, that wasn't so hard.
It was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I was fine, right?
Yeah.
I was good, right?
You were really good.
Yeah, I feel like I was just like, I mean, I feel like some men would not have taken that well. You know what I mean?
It was a great try, babe. It's a great try.
I mean, I bet you men are like crazy. They're like making a whole scene and stuff. Hey, very good job. Man.
Yeah. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Okay, can we talk about my mom now?
Oh my God.
Welcome to Relationship Renegades. Make you feel better every day.